Vision Engineering are known for their metrology and visual inspection systems, but they also have a state-of-the-art machine shop. So let's go inside and find out some more about it. So Steve, tell us more about it, please.
We've got a fantastic machine shop here. We've got milling capability, turning capability. We have a paint shop. We also have an assembly shop. We're now getting more into the subcontract side of the business, and we've got available capacity now.
Nice and simple. So, I mean, the whole thing though, because it's not, from the start, quotations, what's going on there?
So the idea is we obviously get quotations. We've got the CAD/CAM engineers. We've got Mastercam. The intention is we can get the quotes, send them out in a couple of days. We can do low volume, high volume, multiple different materials we can use, whether it be milling, turning. We have the paint shop, and if any other assembly work is there, we've got it. We have a full ERP system for full traceability for any of our customers. So I think we've got it all here.
Got it all covered. So taking a step back, in terms of the ERP system, you say traceability, so that's in terms of how you're manufacturing, but also for the clients as well?
Yeah, so we have full traceability. So if a customer wants traceability of where the material came from, where it's been used, what process it's gone through, what operator's done it, everything is actually recorded on our system.
Okay, give them that complete peace of mind. So, I mean, it is a fantastic machine shop. You mentioned your milling, your turning. I want to cover off the milling cell, for example. You've got loads of Bridgeports, robo drills, but your latest acquisition, a Kitamura machine, really impressive. Tell me more about that.
It's a fantastic machine. We've obviously invested in it for a lot of large milling parts, so for high volume and for low volume facility. We've got multiple cubes and pallets, so we can load and unload. It can run lights out as well, so we have that capability. And that's just one of the machines that we've currently got.
And in terms of loading, unloading, 0-point system?
Yes, 0-point system. It's got a Lang fixturing system, which we use, and we've got that on many other machines as well.
But so obviously you've got repeatability, accuracy. You mentioned some bigger parts, but you could do small, big batch runs of small parts as well?
Yes, we've got the fixturing set up that we can do a lot of small parts. We've had the fixturing created again by our own department, so we can do multiple parts of the same product with that to reduce our setup times.
Again, keeping costs down. Now, that's your milling section, but you've also got the manual section. It's your time-served engineers. These guys, I mean, some of these guys here can run your CNC stuff, but the time-served engineers on the manual section, what are they doing?
They're doing a lot of manual work for design. So we have our internal design department, one-off parts that we require. Often we use it for subcontract guys that just want a one-off part done. Also use them to make our fixturing as well. So they're valuable assets.
Absolutely. And I'm assuming it's actually quicker for them to do the one-offs rather than program it all on your CNC machines.
Absolutely correct, yes.
So that's it. You've got your milling there, your manual side of things, but also your turning. You've got sliding head machines, but also your fixed head. And one of your latest acquisitions is a Mazak. What Mazak is it, and how's that working?
The Mazak, the new Mazak we got, is a Hyper Quadrex, and that is a really fantastic machine. That's why it's given us available capacity. It's got a front loader, it's got a back loader. It can run 16 to 18 hours a day. Parts are very, very accurate, and we're very, very pleased with it.
And then with that, so you've got the Hydrofeed bar loader on the front, but you've also got bespoke parts catcher at the end.
Yeah, we worked with the company to have a bespoke parts catcher, so obviously the different size of components we use obviously run so many hours. Some of the parts are too big to drop in one container, so we had a device created where there's an automatic shutter that will cross over and drop straight into the other bin.
Okay, so fantastic solution in terms of your fixed head turning. You've got your Citizens for your sliding head turning, so your smaller components.
Yeah. Yes, we have the two Citizens, the M20 and M32, bar fed, again lights out capability, does all our very small parts, especially for our microscope systems.
Okay, so you got the whole thing, everything covered really in terms of your milling, your turning, but then once all those components are manufactured, what's next?
Once they're manufactured, they'll either go into our paint shop and they can be powder coated or stove enamel painted, or they go directly to the assembly shop.
Okay. But also, part of this traceability, are you inspecting them as well?
Yeah, we have inspection equipment. We bought the ABERLINK. We've got two ABERLINK inspection machines. We now use our machine shop staff to do the self-inspection. All the programs are done and they've been verified by quality. So they do all their self-inspection themselves now, and everything is recorded, everything is logged, again into the ERP system with the control sheets. So if anybody needs any feedback, we have that data.
Okay. Steve, that's great sort of overview of vision engineering subcontract side of things. So just to clarify, so design, manufacture, milling, turning, manual, painting, inspection, I think I've covered that all. So just I'm covering most of it there, but very quick summary for me, please.
Vision Engineering are open for business. We can actually do anything required. Machining, milling, turning, assembly work. We are here and we have capacity.
Steve, thank you very much.